welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for today's video about bawat judgmental episode. But subscribe na to the YouTube channel kung bakit gusto kong like, share, subscribe, and use pa. Habol din tayo ng hanggang 200 subscribers. For our This Week's Vlog 185, episode 185. Ready na kayo? And title, Bawat Judgmental Teachers Episode. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin about recap. Ayan. Ang ating topic about judgmental October 5 episode ay mga teachers. At sa atang pinaka-bet ko yung dating Filipino teachers nung nasa Young Achievers, si Ma'am Jessica Leonor, alongside Eric, Diane, and Abs. Ang tanong kasi, sino-sino ng teacher ng estudyante pinag-aaral. Kahit hindi kamag-anak, kahit pamangkin, ako. Kahit hindi pa kamag-anak ka, ang tama, my correct answer is B at saka D. Okay, for A and C, mali yun. Kamag-anak kasi. Tapos, pinaaral, hindi kamag-anak. Okay, yung hindi kamag-anak, si letter B, si Eric, ang nasa kang-anis sa iglesia ni Cristo kasi, yung lalaking varsity player. Ma'am Jessica Leonor, ang tama po, yung hindi kamag-anak. Ang pamangkin ni Ma'am Jessica Leonor. Pinag-aral sa Valenzuela or I think Caloocan, hindi ko alam. Pero si Ma'am Jessica Leonor, proud Yasians dati. Proud Yasi dati si Ma'am Jessica Leonor. Dating teacher ko sa Pilipino noong grade 11. At ngayon, wala na siya kasi nasa ibang school na as the teachers pa rin. And of course, si Ma'am Jessica Leonor is look like pretty mommy. Di ba may asawa na si Ma'am Jessica? Oo, may asawa na. But, hindi po siya, kasi married na siya na yun. Pero ang totoong engaged to married, na tama po sa letter A, Diane. Siyempre, engaged to be married na si Ma'am Diane. Si Ma'am Jessica, married na mga 4 years ago. 2018, 2019, hindi pa sure. But congratulations and happy Teachers Day to all the teachers from the Young Achievers and other schools who celebrate Teachers Day last week. And Ma'am Jessica, always remember, be happy and be harder than madali. Happy Teachers Day and belated Ma'am Jessica Leonor. And bago ba tayo matapos for vlog, update muna tayo sa Premier Volleyball League. Ang F2 Logistics ay, bakit? Back-to-back loss against Cherry Eagle tsaka Chocomucho. Ano ba yan? Nisa Starser, maglaro ka na! Nako, maglaro na di, Abi Maranyo. Doon makadiri para malaro tayo, para mananalo next game against Army. Nako, malaman natin yan. Hope na supportan natin F2 Logistics sa Premier Volleyball League. Reinforce coverage paglalaro si Lindsay Starser sa next game. Kaya supportan natin ang other teams sa Premier Volleyball League sa One Sports. Kaya this week's vlog ends. Hope to see you next vlog. Bye!